Okay, so let's get the light out of there. I was gonna do a short, but honestly, y'all, I just don't know if I can get it done in a minute. So here we go. So I got this fly swatter. Jovita Navarro gave me a great idea. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna repair it. Okay, y'all. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some duct tape. You're gonna need a really chewed up fly swatter. And you're gonna need a lot of strips. Just go ahead and tape them to your countertop. And you need scissors to cut them. Well, I did, because I'm not that talented. So what you're gonna do, we're just winging this, y'all, because, you know, I ain't never done this before. We're gonna take this here duct tape. Whoa, Nelly. That didn't work out well. We're gonna take this here duct tape and we're gonna lay it down just like that, right? Oh dear, I think it's gonna fall over again. Let's hope it doesn't. Okay, so we got that bent over. And I think to reinforce the fly swatter, we'll start at the bottom. And we'll just do this. Jovita Navarro gave me this idea in my life. Thank you, Jovita. You're awesome. Okay. Okay, so here we go. We got layer number 1 done. Okay. This is called Hillbilly Fly Swatter Repair. Arkansas Pilgrim gave me the idea to name this video that. So we're just gonna, we're doing a double coating. See that? Oh, here we got air bubbles. We don't want air bubbles because flies may get in there, right? We don't want to see that. Oh, the daggum tape. You might be a little more careful than I am. But let's cut a slit right there. Okay, so that'll be good. Shoot, dang. All right, let's see. See, I'm just doing this, y'all. We'll put that right there. Oh, yeah, look at there. I see the new fly swatter taking shape. I'll be a little more careful with this strip. Because now we're getting into the mechanics of it all, right? Okay. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road, y'all. Right here. Ooh, look at that. It's almost a whole new fly swatter, but I got more strips. Hang in tight with me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Stay with me, okay? Because this is some hillbilly ingenuity. Right here on YouTube at Simply Jan's Homestead. Yep. We're just gonna keep wrapping this and reinforce. I'm gonna do a double layer. Double layer here. Here we go. Oh God, I hope y'all can see this because this is great. I don't have to spend any money, y'all. I got me a new fly swatter. Look at that beauty. Woohoo! That's like a brand new fly swatter. I am so excited. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, because I got all this duct tape cut, we're gonna come down here and we're just gonna wrap that tight. Let's wrap that tight. Oh, Jovita, you saved me hundreds of dollars in fly swatters because I already had the duct tape, right? You just saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars. I love you. I so appreciate you. Oh the input you give me. Here we go. Here we go. Wrap it, wrap it. I can feel it getting stronger. Right before my eyes, y'all, I can feel it getting stronger. That's right. It is very, very well made. No. I mean, why go spend 50 cents when you can do this? Right? Let's save that money. And we're just gonna roll that over so it doesn't stick. It might catch a fly though, if it's out. Yep. Oh, I'm not very good at duct tape. Okay, here we go. Another layer. Let's roll that in there. We're gonna roll that over there. I sure hope y'all are seeing this because I'm not even looking. Okay, last piece, y'all. This is it. This is gonna be the deal maker. Oh yeah. Look at that beauty. Oh, that's pretty. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut me another piece of duct tape. And I'm gonna roll that over. If I could find the end of it. Okay, we're gonna cut a little strip. I found the end of it, now I gotta find the strip. Okay, here we go. Put that down on the counter. All right. Now, I'm gonna roll that over. And I'm gonna roll that over, right? And then I'm gonna put it in the middle. Put it, can you see me? You see me? We're gonna roll that over. Cut me a little slit right here. Right there. Oh, there we go. Now I'm gonna cut me another little slit right here. Okay, so I got that. I got that. Now I got me my rounded edge. Yo, look at that. I got me a brand new fly swatter. That is awesome. You don't have to spend $1 on a fly swatter. You got duct tape. You got your own fly swatter. It just takes a little time and effort to make your own duct tape. And if you really wanted a designer fly swatter, you can go ahead and cut those ends off right there. Cut that end off right there. And just, you know, make it look fancy. There you go. I got me a brand new fly swatter. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's awesome.